We're in Panguitch, Utah. About what, 8,000 feet elevation? It's beautiful up here. There's a fisherman going for breakfast. So this is above Cedar City. We just got up, what is it, 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock? Who knows? That's really gorgeous. I mean, look at that view. We're in beautiful Capitol Reef, Utah. This is amazing. This is my favorite road. I mean, look at the scenery here.
Yep, pretty groovy.
Pretty amazing, huh?
We'll just go, I'll go ahead and forward, I'll give you that bus back to you, the gas station this here in Pastor, and double gas, and we'll pull in there and we'll finish up.
Beautiful. What is this? Glen Canyon. We just left Hanksville this morning. Absolutely gorgeous here. Look at this view. And it's what, 70, 80 degrees maybe? Just beautiful. That is just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Isn't that amazing? It's amazing.
Unbelievable, right?
It is unbelievable.
The mighty Colorado.
Yep. Colorado River. This was probably the most amazing road, wasn't it? The
Incredible.
128, what was it?
128 Colorado River.
128 Colorado River.
Parallel the Colorado River.
I mean, look at the scenery here. It's just amazing. But it was right next to the river. The road keeps on going right next to the river forever and ever. It's kind of like Highway 24 with water. Right? Wouldn't you say?
It's kind of like the Highway 405 with better scenery and water.
Or something like that. Anyway, it's amazing. It's an amazing ride. Luckily, not too many cold temperatures. This morning was cold, yesterday. Tomorrow will be, I think, the coldest. Figuring out the map situation.
Fruta. We're going by Fruta.
Fruita, isn't it Fruita?
Oh, interesting.
Norita.
It
What
has
am I
us going past Grand Junction. That's interesting. Oh, I see why.
You sure know what's going on?
Yeah, I have a concept. This is generally smarter than me, though.
Okay.
So we started here. We came through here. This is the first part that was all pine forest.
That was a cold part, right?
Yep.
Yep.
That's where we had a couple of hunters there.
Yep.
And here, we came through here. I guess we're somewhere in here somewhere.
Okay.
And we have
Wow, we got a lot of ways to go.
all this to go. All these curves coming up.
And for you guys who don't know what this is a Butler map in orange. Is very, very good rating, right?
Yellow is the best.
Yellow is the best.
Red
That's
is
awesome.
medium, but this is the best rating that they have.
All right, perfect. And the elevation is?
Goes from, we started at around 8,000. We were going to go up to 9,500.
Right. Wow.
And back down to 4,000 at the end.
Yeah, you could definitely feel the chill up there in the air. Great.
Right on.
Great planning. Let's go. Absolutely beautiful here in Colorado. Gateway, Colorado. Amazing. The road just never ends.
It's unbelievable, right?
Isn't it? What road is this now? The 141 South?
41, Arizona, parallels the Arizona-Utah border.
Ah.
On Colorado. Did I say Arizona?
You said
Colorado.
Arizona.
Colorado.
All right.
141 Colorado.
It's absolutely amazing. 141 South from the 128 out of Moab. Unreal. So we arrived here at Cortez, Colorado after a beautiful ride. We're staying here at the Retro Inn in Cortez. As you can see, the room numbers are 1976, 1977, we're in 1978, 79. Somebody took this motel and really brought it back to life. Cortez, Colorado, 45 degrees. It's an early morning. It's going to be a beautiful ride. Yesterday was just unbelievable from Moab, the 128 to the 141 South. Unbelievable road. We'll definitely have to do that again. Amazing shadows.
So that over there, according to I got a rain warning on my GPS.
Yes.
That must be rain. It says to the west.
Yeah, it looked like it. That cloud, we were under that cloud for a while.
Yeah.
And it looked pretty nasty. Some nasty old shit right here. You know, for being in Arizona, it looks a lot like Colorado.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so. You don't think so?
Yeah, maybe.
Mr. Alpine. So how high are we? 7,000 feet? 8,000 feet?
Yeah.
Holy cow, next month there's snow here.
Yep.
That's why it's so cold. 7,300 feet now, okay. This is Friday morning today, wow. Trip went fast. Friday morning we saw a lot of wildlife, a lot of elk, a lot of moose and a lot of crazy locals with guns. But it's beautiful here.
And how many cars did we pass?
Probably none.
Since we really got on the trail.
None.
None.
None. No cars. It's amazing.
None. I mean, the lower part, the forest part, that's not even the yellow rated part.
Right.
This is the yellow rated.
Oh, this is the yellow rated. Oh, that's starting up here.
Yeah.
Ah.
So
okay.
we haven't passed anything.
Oh my God.
Nothing.
Huh. Yeah. No. No one. Not one car.
Yeah. That's
You
what
better
I'm
not. You better not break down on this highway.
saying. No. No.
There's probably no cell reception either.
That's why you carry a GPS.
Ah, that's right. So we're here on the Coronado Highway outside of Alpine, Arizona. About Alpine is 8,000 feet elevation. This is about 7 now, and it is an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous ride down here. This is amazing. Peter did all this planning. This is September 27, 2019. Most amazing motorcycle ride. 1 week motorcycle ride from Los Angeles to Utah. Up to Arizona here. This looks like Colorado. Amazing views. Alpine, Arizona, 8,000 feet elevation. It was really chilly up there for parts of it, but the views are amazing. There's something to be said about planning a trip. Peter is great with that because he has the ability to squeeze the most fun for motorcyclists out of a butler map. And if you don't know what butler maps are, they're motorcycle maps. They're the best must-haves for motorcyclists. So he plans it really well. And we discovered roads that you would probably otherwise never discover really or pass by, you know, on a boring freeway or other highway. Anyway, awesome trip. This was an unbelievable trip. Tonight we're heading back, and tomorrow we're done. And I think that's Peter coming around the corner here. Check him out, big smile on his face. There he is. How was that, huh? Beautiful. Just talked
Road
about.
is not too bumpy for your bony ass.
No, it's perfect. It's perfect. It was good. A bit chilly up there, but other than that, I saw another 2 deer.
Yeah, me too.
You saw those? A little one.
Well, I saw 2 on the left and one that crossed the road in front of me,
Oh, really?
but far. Like
Far, okay.
Not you know.
All right. Well, that sounds cool. I was just talking about our wonderful trip, the best motorcycle trip ever. LA to Utah, up to Arizona, and this is like, it looks like Colorado, but it is actually Arizona.
Went through Colorado.
We went through Colorado, yeah, that's true, yeah.
Yeah. We're back in Arizona
Back in Arizona, yep.
and then California.
I love the lighting. Was it a great trip?
Awesome trip.
I mean, this was the best of the best. We had over 2,000, by the time we get to LA, 2,500 miles.
2,500 miles.
And most of it was sheer riding pleasure. I mean, it doesn't get better.
It doesn't get better. And I had the most awesome riding partner one could ever ask for.
And I got the most awesome planning riding partner here because he planned it all out and he squeezed most fun out of the Butler maps.
Squeezed it.
Squeezed it.
We extracted the juice from the butler.
Heading back to LA, this is the last day. Do you have any final words for this sad moment? Do you have any final words for this last sad moment?
No.
No, that's
I
it.
don't.
Okay, good. He doesn't. So then we're moving on. All right, we're here in, what is it, Grand Junction?
Grand Junction.
Grand Junction, Colorado, at the Harley-Davidson dealership and the BMW dealership. But with big surprise this time, it is not the Harley-Davidson that is having trouble. It is the BMW that had a serious headlight front lamp
Technically,
failure.
the first failure on the motorcycle trip was your bike.
Yeah. Well, somebody has to start. Somebody has to get the game rolling. But anyway, this time, this pup is riding real nice. And BMW right now is in the shop. Somewhere in there. Probably right in there. There it is. Sneaky.